Whoa, man! We're gonna take some marinated chicken down to the grill. Oh, there's Kathy. She's got a new video out. By the time I post this, check out her channel, Kathy Vlogs. I'll put a link in the description. But we need some mushrooms. We also need our T-bone steak. Not you, bud. This T-bone, bud. Not you. I'm not eating you for dinner. All right, guys, see you down at the garage. Alright, we're heading down. We're gonna go grill. I was told, don't break the eggs. Well, you guys know me. I'll break everything. Got the garage door opener. Our 15-pack of beer. Here's Kathy's her water that she drinks. I'm gonna be a nice guy and put it in the back of her trunk of her Jeep. Let's throw this in there. Oh look, she got natter days. She got all kinds of stuff, man. She's hiding it from me. But we head down to the garage and grill, and hopefully I don't break the 2 eggs that she brought. She's making hibachi and she needs them. Hey guys, welcome back. I got the basket here. I even brought the basket case with me. But you know what? She told me, she gave me one rule on the whole dinner. Don't break the eggs. I haven't broke the eggs.
Yet.
We'll catch y'all in a few. We got Mama's Blackstone down here. She's gonna make some hibachi. And then over here, we got my curb side found grill, man. The knobs are broken, thing was dirty. Found on the side of the curb. The gas regulator right here was bad. Put a new gas regulator on it. I deleted the side burner because I don't use those anyways. It was easier and cheaper. And guess what? Thing's been 2 or 3 years down here. Working perfecto. Let's throw some food on them. What's up, guys? We got our taters on the grill already. We got our mushrooms getting ready to go in. Throw a little soy sauce on those bad boys. And guess what? We don't bring a knife down in the garage. We just explode it. Throw some butter on them. There we go. A little paper never hurt anybody. Get those bad boys going. And the steak's up next. Alright, as you've seen, we got the baked potatoes. Mushrooms are cooking. Caribbean jerk, baby. Chicken. Let's go. Sorry, you gotta use 2 hands. But throw it on there. Yeah, I lost the mushroom down there. It's all good. Be okay. Well, steak comes last. Chicken's gotta cook. Chicken's gotta cook, fellas. Like that spin move? Alright, stay tuned, we'll be back. Alright, let's check on this stuff. Those are getting done, man. Getting it done. Flip some chicken. Come on, little baby. Flip. taters flip. Yeah, buddy. See you back next time I open it up, man. Alright, it's flippy time. Hey, get back over here, bud. This is just for lunches this week, the chicken is. I mean, yeah, it's gotta be cooked all the way. All we did was marinate in Caribbean jerk. I didn't do anything else crazy. I think I already flipped that. We'll be alright. These mushrooms, they gotta come off, man. They gotta come off, man. You got the Ugg glove over there, Ben? Ooh, she gave me the Ugg glove. They're off. So, be back in a few. Video. Hey, we got a steak here, T-bone. Got salt, pepper, steak marinade on it. Slide that bad boy on there. That stuff's still cooking. Slap it right there. Turn some of this. These are almost done. We'll have some grilled salads and shit during the week. Doing all this on low. Let it low and go, man. Low and go. I did put vegetable oil in with those, so it'll be good. Alright, so next time we open it.
Flipperoonies time.
Right, time to get rid of the chicken. Chicken's about done anyways. Looking pretty good. Yeah, if I can flip it, right? Oh, he'll fuck it up again. Here's Matt, the one and only.
Messing up it again.
You gotta get the potatoes done.
Oh, wait, now Nikki's messing it up.
That's alright. Oh,
And now we're gonna flip the steak. Oh, yeah.
Alright, we got the chicken off. Done. Steak's still cooking. Those still cooking. We got our mushrooms. Yeah, buddy. Alright, Sunday has come to an end. It's time for us to go eat. I'll grab the picnic basket. She's got the rest of the food. We're rolling in. We're calling it a night, boys. You guys all have a great weekend. Happy Father's Day to everybody. You guys enjoy.